Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see on the screen, these 360 photos are captured from the drone and stitched in the phone without using any laptop. So in this whole video we will be discussing about exporting 360 photos captured from the drone without using any laptop. So let's quickly get some 360 photos from the drone. Actually 360 photos look amazing at lower altitude height, so we will capture some 360 photos at 22 meters height. So our drone has captured one 360 photo at 21 meters of height, and now we will capture another 360 photo around 150 meters of height. So once you are done with capturing 360 photos, you can go to albums and check whether the 360 photo has been downloaded or not. Here you can see that you can get a very good preview of 360 photos. Actually at higher altitude, just because Mini has only 12 megapixel, and when we click on auto mode, it will capture some dark 360 photos, so it won't look so attractive. At lower altitude it actually captures very good and the tones look very natural. But here we don't have any option to export this. If we export this, we will get unstructured image. We won't get the 360 image, as you can see that by pressing an arrow button when you post it as a story in WhatsApp or Instagram or anywhere in social media, it gets stretched, and we can't get a 360 photo from here. So now we can close the DJI app. You can go to the Play Store and download a app called Theta, THETA. I will be mentioning the link of this application in the description. You can directly click there and download this application. After downloading, just open this application, and all the 360 photos, it should be in the cache or photos session. It should be downloaded to your device actually from the DJI Fly app first. Then all the 360 photos will be displayed in the Theta app. You can see all the 360 photos are being displayed here. So you can click on it and click on the edit, and just you can pinch and pull it up and make it 360. After proper adjustment, you can click on the little planet. Then you can zoom it according to your requirement, and then you can save it. Then you can click on the share button and save to gallery. You can get the good resolution as well, and this photo will be saved in your gallery, as well as you can directly post your stories from in WhatsApp and Instagram just directly from here. And you can see this photo has already been saved in my gallery. In the same way, you can create some more interesting photos, 360 photos captured from your drone without using any laptop. You just need this application to create some 360 photos, and even you get interesting filters here, and you can adjust the exposure, temperature and shadows, so that at higher altitude the ground color will be dark after capturing it from Mini 2. So we need to actually increase the shadows, and we need to increase the exposure, so we can edit it from here and make it look more interesting. This application provides some amazing features and perfect 360 stitching, so you can install this application and explore it and create some amazing photos. uh, this application not only creates 360 photos, but also it creates some animation videos as well. You can go through this application and check it out, and you can also do some stretched photos like this, as you can see on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. Hope this video will be helpful for you to create some 360-degree photos videos. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any queries. I will be replying to all your comments, and also suggest me what can be my future videos. Thanks. Bye bye.